https://gadgets.ndtv.com/mobile/news/Vivo V9 design detailed via leaked live images ahead of March 27 India launch 1822187. Vivo V9 is expected to launch in India at the event the company is hosting on March 27, but apart from the notch in the official teaser, not much was known about the handset. Now, live images of the Vivo V9 have been leaked online, giving us a better look at the smartphone, and detailing the design language being adopted by the Chinese brand. Vivo V9 will be the latest smartphone in the company's V series, which saw the launch of the V7 selfie smartphone in November last year. According to images leaked by Malaysia-based website amonzi.my, Vivo V9 has a large screen with minimal bezels on the sides. The notch on the top is shown in one of the photos, though it doesn't seem very apparent in most leaked images. Due to the thin bezels, the fingerprint sensor is placed on the back, while the dual rear camera alignment is vertical, with a LED flash below the camera housing. Other features visible from the image include dual SIM and microSD card support, 3.5mm audio jack, and micro USB port. The power button and volume rocker are placed on the right edge. A couple of days ago, Vivo sent out invites for the V9 India launch event. The smartphone has also been teased previously by Vivo Malaysia on social media, and has also been leaked on Twitter and Instagram by tipsters. While specifications of the upcoming smartphone are not yet known, the official teasers have highlighted the iPhone X-like notch on the handset, making it the first Vivo phone to sport this design choice.